Hey guys, Jonathan here, and today I have a very exciting video. I am testing the Laowa Argus 33mm f0.95 crop sensor APO, which is the key feature of the lens, which means the chromatic aberration is being well controlled. Before I start, I need to make a disclaimer. This video is not a technical review, so if you want to know the specs, you can go to the Laowa website with all the details about the lens. I will put the link in the description below. This review is purely real-life experience using the lens at the photoshoot. The lens is also a pre-production model, so keep that in mind. And lastly, this is not a sponsored video, so all of my feedbacks are based on my own opinions only. Let's get back to the review. For this photoshoot, I'll be shooting Elena in the facility of her condo with her high fashion outfit. So I started out shooting my model inside the building, close to the wall, using the sunlight from outside that's hitting her face. I've been testing this lens for 2 weeks since I received it, and I am impressed with this solid lens performance. This is my first time using a fully manual lens, and I am loving it. I use f0.95 all throughout the shoot, and it's satisfying. Once you hit the focus, you will get a crisp and sharp photos from this lens. I am using my Fujifilm XT4 with its Laowa Argus 33mm f0.95x mount all throughout the photoshoot with the natural light and reflector for some angles. I think this is a great combination that can be an alternative for the Fujifilm 35mm f1.4. The big difference is that this is a fully manual focus lens. You can experiment in shooting portraits. As for me, I tried the reflection style using my phone to get a mirror depth reflection of the subject. So when it comes to the sharpness, this lens is absolutely amazing. I suggest that you use your zebra focus picking so that you will know when your subject is being focused. Once you hit the focus, your photo will be very sharp and crisp. Only thing that I noticed is that the focus throw is a bit long, but if you are familiar with the manual focus lens, this will not be an issue. Overall, this is a solid alternative X-mount lens for Fujifilm cameras. So if you like this video, Let me know if you would love me to shoot more budget-friendly lenses for Fujifilm cameras. Alright, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next one.